Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can make admin panel in Roblox Studio. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for this admin panel model. This model is by Wheeze Was Taken, so just add this model to your Roblox account. Once you have done that, open the Roblox Studio and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Note that the same account you have added this model to must be logged into the studio. After that, you will be navigated to this page if you select the base platform. Once you are on this page, go to the model section and select the required model. After that, this file will be added to the Files section. Simply follow me. First, open the File drop-down to show the hidden files and delete the README file. Now, drag the Admin Manager file to Server Script Service and the Announcements file to Starter GUI. After that, create a new folder under Replicated Storage and name it Admin Remotes, just like me. Then, create another new folder under Admin Remote folder and name it Utility. After that, create a remote event under the same folder and name it Admin Access. Once done, duplicate this remote event by pressing the Ctrl+D keys on your keyboard and name it Panel Toggle. Now, create a new remote function under the parent folder and name it Command Use. Make sure to keep the upper and lower case identical to what I am doing. Then create another remote event, but this time create it under Utility and name it Announcement. Now duplicate it the same way we did before and name it Banned Users. Once you have the above steps, go to the Admin Manager script and double-click on it. Here, locate Matrix Array and change the values from true to false and vice versa to grant or disable permissions for the selected role. After that, you can change the name of the three main roles and just save the script. Then just play the game. You can access the panel either by pressing F4 key or just typing in /panel. Anyways, that's it. That's how you can make admin panel in Roblox Studio. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.